on in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your Temu address. So the first step that you have to do is open your Temu application. From here, you just have to make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're here, go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom. So once you click on that one, you will see here a bunch of menu. So just go ahead and click on addresses. And from here, you have the option to edit, or you can also just add a new address. So it depends on you. If you want to edit it, you can just click on this one and edit some details. But if you want to add a new address, that is perfect. So just go ahead and fill out the form in here. So you just have to provide your full name, street address, and make sure that those are the right ones. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!